Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Instead, doing such a reset will allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't have any kind of screen lock set, but you can just turn off your device simply by holding the power button even on the lock screen, and when you get the boot options, just choose power off. The device will turn off. You want to give it a couple seconds once the screen turns black, as it does take it a bit to turn off. And once it does so, once like 10 seconds passes, you can hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. Holding it, you'll feel a vibration. Keep on holding it, and in a moment you will see the HUAWEI logo on a screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. From here, we're gonna select Clear Data, and then we're gonna select Factory Reset. As a confirmation, no matter if you have some kind of screen lock or not, you just need to type in yes. This is HUAWEI's way of just kind of preventing people from basically doing this by mistake. So I'm gonna type in yes on a keyboard and then select Factory Reset. Verification required. We're gonna still select Factory Reset. Again, there shouldn't be any kind of verification required, considering I had nothing signed in, but in your case, you might need to verify it. If you're doing a reset because you need to remove a screen lock and you also have a Google account, throughout the setup process after the reset, so if I go back and restart, you will need to either provide the screen lock, and if you're doing this process because you wanted to get rid of a screen lock that you don't know, this leaves you with a second option, which would be your Google account as a verification method. Just sign into it and you're good to go. I believe there is some kind of bypass for this. At least I'm pretty sure I recorded one a long time ago, but that might have been before whatever newest update got applied to this device. And if you search for bypass for the Mate 20, either X or even Pro, as these are basically running the same software, so you can check either Mate 20 Pro, Lite, X, nothing like the 20 alone. They're all the same, and if there is a video that I have created for at least one of those, chances are it will work with this one as well. And if it doesn't work, that means that it's running a newer patched version and it just doesn't work. In my list, because I do have a list that I record off of, I don't have it checked or linked to any kind of bypass, so I assume either there isn't one working, which is a possibility, or someone just didn't look for it at the work. So any case, if you really need to, you can try out videos that I have recorded prior to one of those Mate 20s and see if it works. If it doesn't, then unfortunately it can be bypassed. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.